You described some basic tenets we talk about around digitally transformed companies, such as thinking big and top-down leadership. One other is obviously being agile. The most agile customers are continuing to rapidly experiment in order to grow and scale. What do you think the fundamental changes will be for customers going forward as a consequence of what we're seeing today?
I believe at the core of this, they have seen the ability to do transformation of a process or a workload really fast. That they now understand that cloud capabilities allow them to experiment, fail fast, recover fast, and deploy. And also they learn that when they're creating something from cloud, they don't, what I like to call, have to throw the baby out with the bathwater. And what I mean by that, if they're creating and developing an application, if something does not work in the development stage, they don't have to start all over. Because of the model that they use, they can adjust and they can use what they've created. And I think that even where in the early days, that's something we always talked about in cloud. During this period of time, I think we saw many customers have an aha moment about how that experimentation became so important and the rapid ability to get the results out there because they could adjust very quickly. And also another big concept that became extremely important and still is the concept of data lakes and sharing. So now, like no other time, I think you're also seeing research share their information, hospitals, communities, countries, states. We're seeing many come together in a regional approach to try to solve some of these most difficult challenges, and they're sharing what they're learning through their data. We have a partner, Palantir, that we worked with to we worked in like 52 different unique countries and opportunities. And one of the superpowers they have is to take different data sets and quickly put them together to create algorithms to analyze what's happening through the data, through information basically. It's a common operating picture, I'll say, of everything occurring, and that runs, they're an AWS partner. And we jointly did this when we could for free to our customers and partners to help them really move fast. And this is where, for me, it was an aha time of seeing the real data come together across countries that said, where are the clusters of COVID? Where do I have hospitals? Where do I have beds? Where do I have respirators? Where am I going low on PPE equipment? How many tests do I need? What's happening with my testing? And all of this comes together in a picture that allows these countries or groups to analyze, again, health, economic, population data, and make very rapid decisions. So one thing I believe that you're going to see moving forward is that so many of our customers are going to be doing what we call data-driven migrations, which their migrations toward the cloud are going to be, what I mean by this is purposeful.